Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting Manette, and in this video we are going to unbox a diamond painting kit. It's a new release, new design from Diamond Art Club. The design is very untypical of me. I usually do not diamond paint this kind of designs, but if you want to see what I order, please stay with me. And I wanted to know that actually took Diamond Art Club a week just to ship the kit. As far as I know that they're struggling with some issues in their warehouse, but just wanted to know that as soon as they shipped it, it arrived the next day. I guess they shipped it overnight or something via FedEx, so it was really very nice of them to ship it overnight. Ta-da! And this is the design. If you follow my channel, you know that I am not really a fan of diamond painting animals, but when I saw this owl, I fell in love with it. Look at her, or his, I don't know, at its eyes. They're just live, you know, so cute. And there's also so much room for customization. And I was thinking of replacing some drills on the eyes of the owl with opal drills that I have. Look at them. I think they will look gorgeous on the eyes, and they will make it even more lighter than they already are. So, this kit was around $31. I had 20% off, so I bought it with a discount. This size is 13 by 17 inches. The artist is Iris Sage, and it is a full round drill diamond painting kit. So let's open and see what comes inside. Oh wow, it's a new box. I haven't had Diamond Art Club kits for a very long time. I don't even remember the last time I actually diamond painted it, maybe several years ago. Like regular diamond art kits, not from Amazon, not from Walmart. Okay, yeah, started totally different. Last time I purchased the Diamond Art Club kit, it was in Hobby Lobby, maybe like 3 years ago. Okay, so the canvas, the set of tools. I actually have been working with this stylus for quite some time now, and I really like it. It is the most comfortable stylus I have ever worked with. Okay, what else do we have? We have a tray with wax, with multi-placer, more wax for the pen, and a bunch of Ziploc bags. We also have here whatever it is, the instructions, whatever. I never figured out the point of these cards. Okay, if any one of you knows, please let me know what they are for. I don't understand, but they're very cute. Okay, and the most interesting part. Ready? Let's open it. So as always, we will start with the canvas. Oh my god, it is just so cute. Look at the eyes. I love it. And of course, as you can see, it is full of confetti, so it will take me a while to diamond paint it. And look at the legend. 85 colors, 85. When I saw 50 colors, it's like insane for me, and that's 85. Well, maybe that is why it's gonna turn out so detailed, because there is a lot of confetti, a lot of color blending, and of course Diamond Art Club doesn't just insert it just for the sake of having confetti, but thanks to good color combination, color blending, the final result turns out extremely detailed and lacks any pixelation whatsoever. And of course, symbol printing is very easily recognizable. And do you see the symbols themselves? They have like I would say a square shape instead of a round shape, although this is a round drill diamond painting kit. So yeah, this kit is like I don't know for how long I haven't been diamond painting Diamond Art Club kit, but for me everything is new. Even these marks on the film are new, and this is really very, very, very comfortable to work with. It can limit me from keeping diamond painting over and over and over and not going to sleep until like a.m. because I can never stop. What I usually do, I turn the film like this, you know, I leave this area for myself, but then I'm like, oh, there is a symbol over here, so let me diamond paint over here and here and here, and I keep moving the film up and up, and it is extremely complicated for me to stop diamond painting. Now with these areas, when I can just remove this piece and that's it, diamond painted, and live in peace to sleep, you know. So very, very gorgeous diamond painting. Oh my god, I love it so much. I need to resume diamond painting, Diamond Art Club. So, and the colors, I am of course shocked that it comes with 85 colors. What I like about it is the stickers, right? For those people who do sort out the drills into the containers. I do not, but for me, it would be a huge help as a legend, because the legends on the right and on the left sides are kind of small for me. I guess I'm getting old, so I don't see that well now, but this is really very helpful. And now, let's, oh, look at that, I already see ABs. Let's look at the drills, right? Let me press pause for you not to listen to the sound. I doubt I will be able to insert it back as they were in the plastic bag. So are those resin? Yes, they are resin. Resin drills. I saw a few diamond painting kits, Thomas Kinkade series. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. In Walmart. But as far as I understand, it's a budget version, so I'm not sure if the drills are resin or acrylic. So if any of you bought their kits, I saw a beacon of hope, maybe I will purchase it. The wishing well is too small, I think, for so many details. I'm afraid it can turn out pixelated. But to my surprise, the beacon of hope, I saw the complete result, turned out pretty good. So maybe I will purchase it, but I need to know if the drills are acrylic or not. Okay. Oh my god, look at this gorgeous, super juicy, bright green. So there are a few, does it even say here how many ABs? No, it doesn't say, right? And I didn't find this information on the box, how many ABs it has. I know that it has ABs and FD drills, although to tell you the truth, I don't understand FD drills. I cannot even spot it out on the completed kits, so I'm not really a fan of FD drills. Fairy dust. I'm not sure if I showed you this. No, not yet, right? Ah, yeah. Okay, so this is AB drills. I love AB drills. I love crystals. I like special drills, but I'm absolutely indifferent to FD drills. So these are FD drills. You see, I couldn't even see that until I looked at it more closely. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of this drill. So dark blue FD drills. So for now we have 2 FD drills and 1 AB. So yeah, for me it's extremely hard to spot them on the completed kit. I think this is also FD. Yeah, this is also FD drill. That is why I do not really see the point of using them in the diamond painting. And because of this dust, it lacks the sparkle. Like this dust removes the sparkle, so I don't know. Not really a fan. The only FD drills that stood out on the diamond painting were Catherine's Diamonds on Canvas or Italia Diamante Creations. There, yeah, I could see the point of using the FD drills. Okay. Oh, okay. White ones. Diamond dots white are better, actually. Most likely I will replace these drills with diamond dots ones. I think they look a little bit better. Yeah, they're not as faceted. Okay, what else do we have? Nobody can beat diamond dots with their ABs. Okay. And I guess the last. Yeah, the greens are gorgeous. Okay, here we can see way brighter colors. So as far as I see, there are only two ABs, right? Blue and white, and 2 or 3 fairy dust. Oh, this one is a beautiful bright color. This one a little bit more. This lilac, gorgeous. So yeah, what I'm thinking of replacing, of course, is the eyes. The number is, so this is the majority of the drills that I use in the eyes are these ones. And as I mentioned before, I'm not really a fan of FD drills. I wish they used the ABs here, so I may try to replace it with my opal drills, but I just need to find, no, not this one for sure. What else do I have? Maybe this one. Not really. Doesn't really look good. Oh, shoot. What I don't have. Maybe these ones. Maybe. Not the exact shade, but it might look good. You know what I don't like about Diamond Art Club? That there is no, that their bags are not in a numeric order, and there is no like the numbers of the symbols, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like for example on Diamond, on Make Market or Diamond Dots, or even Hobby Lobby, each bag has not only the DMC code, right? Oh, this is the bag, sorry. Not only the DMC code, but also the number of the bag, 1, 2, 3, and it is very easy for me to kit up, because that's how I do it. I just put the bags in the numeric order, and that's how I diamond paint. With Diamond Art Club, it will be more complicated, so I will have to put it in I guess in DMC code numeric order, and it will take me time with 85 colors. Yeah, this is not very convenient. Actually, I never noticed it about Diamond Art Club, but maybe because I never had that many colors. Other than that, Diamond Art Club rules. I saw the completed result, and it was terrific. And let me show you what I'm working on right now. Yeah, this is the cottage from Hobby Lobby. It doesn't look good on the camera. I don't know why, but these opal drills don't look good on the camera. I don't know why. In real life, it sparkles insane and looks much better. So I really enjoy diamond painting it. Well, since I'm getting old, I'm not sure if I mentioned before, it was around $31 or $32, a new release, and I had 10% off, so I bought it a little bit cheaper, although I had to pay for shipping. And I already got the frame for it from Amazon. It was an Amazon Prime Day, and it was on sale, only $10, and it's exactly the same size as this owl. This is the frame, the golden one. 13 by 17 centimeters, and I think it will look pretty good in a gold frame, because this kit contains a lot of yellow colors, and maybe I will also add some golden ones, metallic drills. We'll see. I'll think about it. Maybe on the nose, but I'll think about it. So this is all for today. I will leave the link in the description box below. Again, it's a new design that was released. I really love it, and I will start working on it soon. Bye!